As a dependable competitor, DJI continuously pushes the limits of action cameras. But some fans felt let down when the Osmo Action 4 was released. Although it met certain expectations, it felt more like a little update than a substantial improvement. Many are anxiously awaiting DJI's next move as rivals like GoPro and Insta360 have been making headlines with their newest products. The disappointment with the Osmo Action 4 stems partly from its performance in low light conditions. Despite decent 4K footage, the grainy and noisy output in low light scenarios left much to be desired. To address this, one of the anticipated upgrades in the Osmo Action 5 is a larger 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor. Drawing from the success of the Pocket 3, this sensor promises enhanced low-light performance, capturing more detail and reducing noise even in challenging environments. Coupled with an expanded ISO range of 50 to 16,000, users can expect greater control over their low-light videography. But it's not just about improving low-light performance. DJI aims to elevate the overall shooting experience. The Osmo Action 5 is rumored to support 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, providing smoother footage for action-packed scenes. This resolution bump combined with the larger sensor ensures sharper and more detailed videos, offering greater flexibility in post-production. Stabilization has always been a crucial aspect of action cameras, and DJI is not one to fall behind. Building upon the success of Rocksteady 3.0, the Osmo Action 5 is expected to introduce Rocksteady 4.0 Plus, along with Horizon Steady technology. While DJI's electronic image stabilization may not match GoPro's hyper-smooth, the aim is to provide solid footage even in the most challenging terrain, catering to adrenaline junkies and outdoor enthusiasts alike. In terms of design, don't expect a radical departure from its predecessor. However, taking cues from the Pocket 3, a larger display is anticipated for improved visibility and usability. DJI's innovation with the rotating display adds convenience for users, allowing for easy navigation and clearer playback of captured footage. A larger display on the Osmo Action 5 would undoubtedly enhance the user experience, especially in dynamic shooting environments. As for the release date, DJI seems to have adopted a strategy of launching its action cameras ahead of GoPro. With the Action 2, 3 and 4 released in October, September, and August respectively last year, it's plausible to expect the Osmo Action 5 to follow suit. If history is any indication, August could mark the unveiling of DJI's latest offering, setting the stage for a showdown with GoPro. But can DJI reclaim its dominance in the action camera market? While the Osmo Action 5 boasts promising upgrades, there are still hurdles to overcome. Chief among them is addressing user concerns regarding overheating, which can degrade performance in battery life. Furthermore, DJI will need to deliver on its promise of solid stabilization and improved low-light performance to win over discerning consumers. In the battle for action camera supremacy, DJI's Osmo Action 5 has the potential to reignite excitement among enthusiasts. With anticipated upgrades in sensor size, resolution, stabilization, and usability, DJI is poised to make a statement. Whether it can outperform GoPro remains to be seen, but one thing is certain. The competition is heating up and consumers stand to benefit from the innovation and rivalry driving the industry forward. So, that's all about the upcoming DJI Osmo Action 5. Do let us know what you think about this, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this.